Hello, good afternoon to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome again to this channel about job. So in this video, we will discuss a job openings from Japan, and I hope you all of know that this is a Asian country. So guys, if you are interested to apply for this job in Japan, then you can watch this video till the end and know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job. Entire details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. The job is for caregiver and the requirement is from Japan. Job title caregiver. NSDC International Limited, the company or the employee name, employer name. Location will be Japan. And the experience requirements 0 to 4 years as a caregiver. And the qualification requirement GDA, GNM, ANM, EMT, GCA. And the salary will be 13,86,399 to 30,86,391 yen per annum. I hope you know that the currency of the Japanese yen. So per annum you can get 13,086 and 391 yen. Salary will be per year or per annum. So this is the salary details. This is the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job. So let's focus what is the job description. It means what is the responsibilities and the role in this job. First, understanding residents' basic information and confirming service implementation procedures. Assistance with mobility, transports and changing positions. Assistant with bathing, assistant with meals, assistant with toileting, assistant with dressing, grooming and oral care, providing reactions and activities. Assistant with cleaning, laundry, shopping and other household tasks. This is the job role. Then let's focus what is the eligibility criteria. The candidate should be male or female, both can be applied. Must be within the age group of 20 to 27 years. This is very important point. If you want to apply as a caregiver in this requirement, then your age should be below 27 years and not below 20 years. So that means minimum 20, maximum 27 years. Who are willing to learn Japanese language full time for approx 9 months to pass the SSW related exam successfully to be obtain the work visa. For candidates who are fresher with no experience, graduated with a healthcare diploma or degree ANM, GNM, BSc nursing and having exposure in internship OJT. For candidates who have experience, certificate program general duty assistant, geriatric care assistant, emergency medicine technician with 3 to 6 months of working experience. Company name is NSDC International Limited, type multi-sector, contact person NSDC International Limited. This is the official email ID. So the thing is, if you want to apply, you have to note down this email ID. This email ID also you can get from the descriptions below this video, and you have to forward your updated CV to the given official email ID. So after submitting the CV by all candidates, the shortlisting process will be started by the company. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview by the client. So again, I would like to tell you this is the urgent job vacancies from Japan. The job is caregiver and your experience should be 0 to 4 years minimum. Qualification should be GDA, GNM, NM, EMT. Salary will be 13,86,391 yen per annum. And this is the job description, means job role. This is the eligibility criteria. This is the company name. This is the official email ID. I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing with you right now. If you have any question or confusion, you can drop the question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. And if you want to apply, collect this official email ID and we make your CV with cover letter and attach it and forward it to the given official email ID. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end. And in the next video, I will try to provide you the job openings regarding all sectors from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Check each and every video in this channel and apply on time to get a abroad job. Best of luck. Goodbye.